Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable the pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Pop-up blocker helps prevent unwanted windows from opening automatically. However, sometimes you may need to allow pop-ups for certain websites. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. In the drop down menu, scroll down and select settings. Under Mozilla settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to find permissions section. Under this section, you will find this one option to enable the pop-up blocker. Make sure block pop-ups and third-party redirects is enabled, and to disable pop-up, you need to uncheck this one option that says block pop-ups and third-party redirects. To enable the pop-up for any particular website, click on the manage pop-up and redirect exceptions. Here you can type the address for that you want to allow the pop-ups. After that, click on the save changes. That's it. Your pop-up settings are now updated, and that's how you can easily enable or disable the pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox. This method is simple, quick, and does not require any technical steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.